A plated decorative plate is attached to the locked part of the door of Mercedes-Benz W113. This decorative plate was in contact with the locking eye stay when the door was closed. You can see the part where this plating is rubbing. It was in contact with the screw under the locking eye. I tried to scrape the screw part under the locking eye. However, there are still some parts that are in contact. Before scraping the stay, even if I pulled the lever to open the door from the inside, it was caught. It has improved. A part of the plate interfered, and there was a gap, so I will process the plate. I scraped the part painted black. I also bent the plate by hand to fit the shape of the door. It was easy to bend. By processing the plate, the gap between the door and the plate has been reduced. The locking eye part and the plate no longer interfere with each other. Doors can be opened and closed very smoothly.
Thank you for watching.